We're starting in the front bedroom. As we're walking in, let's see if we can catch everything here. Got wiring going out for our lights outside, your soffit lights. Here's your ceiling fan and light, all wired together. Sorry for the zoom in. This is as far away as I can get this room in here. So that is a jump duct just to relieve pressure in these rooms. It goes out to one in the hallway. One goes into each bedroom just to relieve pressure so that you don't have the sucking under your doors when the heat and AC's on. That is a smoke detector right there. And then all your other wiring coming in. That wall's got the Smurf tube and all the stuff that you need for mounting your TV and everything. So that is the front bedroom. Try not to get you too dizzy. Walking out into the hallway, we got the soffit, or not the soffit, but the your wall sconces out here. There's that jump duct and a can light. Here's the little niche for your cabinet, and behind it we do have an outlet there. This down here in the hallway is your supply air for the conditioned crawl space that goes over to the HRV. That is what draws the air into the house, or into the crawl, I mean. Okay. As we go into the bathroom, we have where your fan is hooked up currently right now, your light above the sink, and then of course your plumbing for the sink, shower, drain, and everything's all hooked up over here. All your backing in the shower for grab bar, and here's your shower head piping inside there. And then your toilet room with the pocket door between sits right in here. We also got backing around the toilet as well. And your plumbing for your toilet is down here. So in that room you do have two switches that go up to a light, and then your vent for your fart fan. Don't mind the noise, got guys here working. Back bedroom, again all your low voltage wiring here. We did mark up all your door swings so that we've confirmed with the plans all the different door swings, of course, except for the one in the powder bath that we switched as per our conversation. Here is the lighting wiring up here. So you have the ceiling fan and light, and then we put the other wiring towards that corner so you can hook up that desk lighting in here. Here's your outlets around this room, and your low voltage, and an outlet right there under that window for your desk. So there we have that, your plant shelves, of course, up here, and the jump duct again that I was explaining. And then we have an extra switch here for your an outlet on top of the plant shelf. Alright, we'll move out to the entryway. Entryway, all your cans going down the hallway there. The light above your entryway, and then that's your closet, little coat closet, and the arch here going above, going into your living room. Little niche there. We did get the wiring in that corner there for the motion sensor like you wanted. And we'll walk in here to see all your ceiling fan, all your cans that are roughed in for your eyeball cans. We do have the one up here over that little niche that you wanted. Centered as close as we could, but it's on the east side of that truss. And it goes right over the top of your niche. We did get central vac plumbing put in throughout the house, so that's all put in as well. Here's the Smurf tube locations that are all capped off. This one goes up into the attic, and that as well is capped off in the attic. Here are the bath fans up in the attic there, and you'll see next to each bath fan you can kind of see that box back in there. That is the that's where all the low voltage goes into for each fan location, and that's the relay going over to open up the damper. So as we turn in here looking towards your kitchen, again we got the ceiling cans put in here. Here's your 2 wall sconces above your fireplace, and outlet there behind your fireplace. Your kitchen, got the plumbing coming up under the floor. We got your 3 pendant lights above the island right there, and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 can lights above the kitchen themselves. So that's the duct for your hood vent that's in the wall. We can tap into it whatever height we need. We did get the outlets put above the top of the cabinets there. You can see those, and then the wiring is sticking out below for the under cabinet wiring and your above counter outlets that are here. Okay. There's the arch, and then this side as well, you got your outlet right there above the cabinet. Down here you got your outlet below, your lighting, and then your phone jack in there. So, little arch going out into the hallway. There in the hallway we got doorbell here in your hallway, central location. We have your wall sconce where you had marked it there. Another wall sconce here. And this is your wire for your thermostat, which is very close to the return air that is being insulated as we speak. So the powder bathroom sits right here, got a light above the sink, got outlets on each side of the sink, and then your bath fan, which goes wired up above the kitchen. So we'll turn here and look up above the kitchen. There's where your fan motor is, and then the relay box for it as well up in there. So coming in here we got your hall closet. Here is your media panel right there. You see the Smurf tube going down below and going up, and then all your low voltage wiring also coming down. That'll get tucked in. This is for your alarm system, so the all the alarm system and everything will be wired into this panel, but your controls will be out in the laundry room or the mud room, and I'll show you that when we get there. So master bedroom, got your can lights put in, ceiling fan with light, another can light over there, jump duct pressure relief going right over to the side of the insulated chase to relieve pressure in here. And then this is the back side of the media panel. We had to put it on this side because the return air chase over on the other side of that closet was right in the way. We couldn't put it there, so we just moved it to the other wall of the closet. It also runs up into the attic and is capped off in the attic. Here are the motors for the fans. That's the one for the laundry room. We have 2 over here for the master bathroom with the relay boxes in each one. You see those right there. And as you come down going into your master bedroom, here's your bathroom, there's your switches, here's the outlets above the sinks. Then we also have outlets behind those cabinets on each side. 2 lights right above the sink. Here's the shower with your walls, the one of the shower heads, vent, of course your window, a couple can lights up there, then the other shower head here, and all the backing in the wall there for your shower head. Let me see if I can catch the plant shelf above your water closet, and there's an outlet up there. Water closet here, toilet all plumbed in, and of course the fan and the light also in there. So exterior wall here where your closet is, here's the plumbing going out for a hose bib on the outside of the house. That's what that loop is for. We come into here, and here's your doggy door with an outlet next to it, and then the plumbing that goes out for the heat pump and ductless unit right there. And we have all the stuff coming over to above the furnace area right there. We do have your access in your floor for your crawl space access is right here in your closet. That's a supply line going in, dryer and gas coming in. There's your plumbing behind your washer right there. Here is the insulated chase that they're working on currently. See, completely insulated. The vent, air vent there. A light right there, and then another light right here. And they're working on insulating this chase as we speak. We'll move over here into the mud room. So mud room, you got your bench and everything right over in this area, so we didn't put any outlets there. We do have the wiring here for your door switch, and then your alarm pad goes right here. So that's what the wiring is put in above it. Okay. Coming out to your garage, we got all your wiring hanging for your lights and your garage doors, garage door openers. Here's where we wired for a freezer outlet, so dedicated circuit there. A couple light switches. Your front door system just got delivered out, so we'll have to get that set in place. It's sitting here in the garage. Access for your attic is right there. You can see the fresh air intake lines going over to your furnace and your HRV. All that is above your shop. Here is in the shop, all the wiring put in, the ductless system put in there. We've got the panel and sub panel sitting there in your shop with all the wiring. Got the low voltage run out to that corner for a motion sensor, and then all of your outlets. So you can see how we did sink the floor down 2 3/4 inches so we can build it back up. Here is the piping here for your plumbing for your sink. And then that's also the central vac plumbing going into the room over here. Here's we put an outlet there next to some switches going outside for you. And then, I don't know if you'll be able to see much in here because it's kind of a tight fit. That is where your damper is going to go. That wire coming out of the wall there is the low voltage wire for the damper system that's going to get hooked up right there on the return air side. There's your filter. Here's your heat pump, your air handler for the heat pump. There's the drain for that. It's plumbed into an interior drain.